Good morning and namaskar. Today we'll take a look at one company which has performed very well in the latest quarter of Q1. The name of the company is Titan Biotech. Management consists of Naresh Kumar Singla, Managing Director, and Suresh Chand Singla, he is also a Managing Director. Titan Biotech manufactures and exports biological products used in pharmaceuticals, nutraceuticals, food and beverages, biotechnology and fermentation, cosmetics, veterinary, animal feed, agriculture industry, microbiology, cultural media and plant culture media, not cultural media, culture media, plant tissue culture media and so on. So these biological products include ox bile extract, peptones, protein hydrolysates, amino acid mixtures, liver extracts, culture media and plant growth promoters, etc. It has over 25 years experience and market presence in 75 plus countries. So, a lot of research and development it is doing to better the quality of its biological products. Now, let's take a look at the results. Net sales, the latest Q1 quarter, 39.42 crores. Now, previous quarter, 20.08 crores and year ago quarter, 22.09 crores. It was around 20 crores and less till the March, that is Q4, previous quarter. But in the latest quarter, it has jumped by 78.45% year on year and 96.31% quarter on quarter to post sales of 39.42 crores. So 39.42 crores Q1 sales, which is 78.45% year on year growth, 96.31% quarter on quarter growth. Now net profit, if you look at that, net profit is 12.42 crores, previous quarter 1.92 crores and year ago quarter 1.96 crores. So earlier it was always 1 crore plus, approaching 2 crores. Now suddenly it has jumped to 12.74 crores. Yeah, 550% jump year on year, 563.54% jump quarter on quarter. Now if you look at the equity share capital, it is constant at 8.26 crores. Basic EPS is 15.42 on a face value of rupees 10. Face value is 10. Latest quarterly EPS is 15.42. Earlier it was 2.33, 2.37, etc. So 550% jump year on year and 560% jump quarter on quarter. So how did it do it in the latest quarter? We don't know really. The latest price is 152. The 52-week low was 27.25, 52-week high is 152.1, and it's always going on as only buyers only. Now, historical prices, if you look at that, 1 year back the price was 34.5, 2 years back the price was 55.65. 3 years back, the price was 68. 3 years before it was higher, then it fell 2 years back to 55 and 1 year back it fell further to 34. Now it is at around 150 plus. 3 months back also it was at 49. Now it is 150 plus. So huge multi-bagger because of the latest results. Now if you look at the shareholding pattern, promoters hold about 54.35%. Pledge is 0, FIA is nil, DIA is 19.59%, others 26%, total 100%. So no pledge. Promoters hold a decent chunk, 54.35%. Now, if you look at the balance sheet, the share capital is 8.26 crores in the latest quarter. Liabilities are around, total liabilities are around 76, including the share capital, etc. Assets, fixed assets 31 crores. Of course, fixed assets have increased in the latest quarter. Earlier quarter 29 crores, still earlier it was 26. Year ago quarter 15. Now it has jumped 100%. Fixed assets have jumped. That explains to some extent. Now promoters are increasing their shareholding. EPS is increasing. Share price has gone to 52-week high. Quarterly results growth is very good. Net profit and net profit margin are increasing. Revenue has increased tremendously, especially in the latest quarter. Earlier quarter also there was increase, but it was not much. Latest quarter, annual net profits are increasing the last 2 years. Company has zero promoter pledge. So like that, the company, if it is able to continue this sort of performance further, still it is a small scale company. 39 crores is quarterly sales. Technical rating is very bullish. As on date, only buyers are there. Market cap is very low at 85.53 crores. 12 months price earning is 4.86. Price earning 4.86 is there for the previous trailing 12 months. Book value 45. So it's a small cap company. Dividend 10%. Industry price earning 65. Trailing 12 months EPS is 21.3. Price to book is 2.26. Dividend yield is 0.97%. It is paying dividend, of course. Face value is rupees 10. So there are only buyers. Now it is a 1 quarter wonder. Now will you go for it or not go for it is up to you. Of course it is a profitable company. If it repeats its performance, it is worth at 150 or even 300 probably, I don't know. But will it repeat that performance? We'll have to wait and see the next quarterly result. I tried to buy for a few days but left it because it's only buyers and 1 quarter wonder. So I leave it to you. Sometimes we can take chances like that. The small chances you can take. It's a small cap company. Performed very well in Q1 compared to previous quarters. Always. So I leave it to you to go for Titan Biotech. You may not get it for quite some time because it's only buyers, no sellers. That's one problem with the Titan Biotech. So I do not know the exact extent of its market. It is it's 35 crores per quarter, 75 plus countries. So what is the market size? We don't know. If the market size is heavy, then probably it can increase its sales in the days to come. Let us see. Okay.